Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and the reason why you're watching this video is because you have some type of interest in reference to working with me. Whether you found me on YouTube, you found me on Team Portis, or you just found me on the internet, or you was referred by a friend, the reason why you're watching this video that's considered unlisted and kind of only in this space to where you can see this video via Team Portis is for the simple fact that we're about to get rocking and rolling. And there's a few things that I expect from you in reference to, me being a, web developer. I wouldn't even necessarily consider myself a professional because I just don't necessarily like titles. However, there are some things I'm expecting from you as a professional person, a professional business owner, or just a professional blogger, whatever it may be. Um, the first thing you want to do is if you do not have the domain that you're interested in buying or hosting in reference to your website, we do have packages in reference to hosting if you're interested. However, if you need hosting, domain, emails, whatever the nature may be, I am asking you to come over here right on my website, and it's right here underneath the live feed. So if you click the live feed right here from Instagram, right below here, you will see the actual banner here where you can get a domain as of right now for $2.95. This changes, throughout the months or so, so it could be a little bit different. It could be a promotion in reference to hosting when you actually watch this video or when you see this. So, don't be alarmed if it doesn't look exactly the same, but it will be in this same general area right here in this red area right over here. Another thing that I am actually asking for you to do is for you to, connect with me in Dropbox. Dropbox is, what I found to be the most awesome way in reference to, receiving content and information from clients. Now, don't give a whole lot of attention to this column right here because this is just my root level in reference to my Dropbox as far as the way I like to structure my Dropbox. But what you'll see here on your first level, which would be Dropbox. If you're new to Dropbox, you might see sample photos. You might see like a sample document of how to use Dropbox. And right here, I have a structure set up in reference to different clients that I'm working with. So when it comes to, for instance, Janice, here's her Dropbox right here. And you notice right here it looks a little different. If I go over here to Janoya and we look right over here and we actually have compartmentalized things right over here into the old stuff. But here's what it actually looked like, before we kind of condensed it down. But this is what you'll be receiving right here in reference to a new client. Right here is the home section, the header section, the about section. The website that I may be doing for you could be completely different. It could just be a landing page. It could be something else. And honestly, I need to set this thing up in reference to, I need to get a structure set up for a landing page. So I would definitely work on that. But what we can do is you can come over here, you can right click, you can add new folders. You can call this folder landing page, for instance, and you can put it inside here. And when you do that inside that connected folder that we have a connection to, I will actually see that information come right to my computer as you do that there. So I'm asking you to drop documents and everything. As you can see, I have a document here on my desktop, and I can take this document very easily and I can add it to, let's go over here and say, content for website. So right inside this folder right here, I want to just take this document, drop it inside here, and you can see how easily that document is inside there. And it's just really simple and really easy to add information. Or if you're right inside of Word, you can save that document directly into the Dropbox folder so it will absolutely come to me. Now here is an example of a document that I received from a client, which was really awesome. It's content information. This was kind of like an overview of some of the things that needed fixed in reference to the website. So as you can see that I kind of just created a color code here. Red means done, updated, and blue means I have questions in regards to the changes. So you can see right here as I completed that task right there, I marked it red. As I can do this one right here, here's my little color chip right here. I can just click that there and I can just mark that red to say, hey, that's been completed, and then you can see where my client came back to me in reference to typing in green to kind of let me know. And she sent me that information over in the email, basically stating, I updated the document. It's in Dropbox. I updated, my information in green that, you were a little bit lost on in reference to blue. Very simple, very easy process. If you make it hard, it will be hard, but it doesn't necessarily have to be hard. You can see here that she also even used a strike through within this document right here, which is really awesome, to where, I'm kind of guessing that meant, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal, whatever the case may be. So, those are just some of the very basics in reference to us working together. I'm looking for content and information from you. The next video that I have here listed, where you can check it out and you can watch, we're going to kind of talk about, how you're going to establish the frame in reference to your website, so it doesn't take 6 months to a year to actually complete. So jump on over to the next video and I'll see you over there. All right, talk to you later. Goodbye now.